Come on, pick him up, pick him up. Pick him up.
Renato looks mad.
Oh, man, yeah, you up. You gotta turn it around, man.
Oh my God.
Ooh, I hope it fits, man. If it doesn't fit, I'm not gonna get paid. It's too big.
Oh my God.
Good morning, welcome back. We're gonna tear an existing carport down and we're gonna build a brand new one because this client of mine just bought a new boat and their boat is too tall for the existing carport. And this one's sitting on the concrete. We're gonna build this one where the aluminum posts go into the concrete, so it's gonna be freestanding. We're using bigger posts. It's gonna be taller. We're using bigger beams, and we're going into the concrete.
See, this is the job right here. We gotta build a new one because this boat is too big. So we're gonna tear this one down and lift it up higher. The guys are already ripping and running. And these are on top of the concrete. We're gonna go into the concrete. And also this is 3x3. We're gonna use 4x4. And that's a 2x6. We're gonna use a 2x8. So everything's gonna be upgraded, taller, stronger, better. While the guys tear down, I'm gonna work on marking out the post. I don't know if I'm gonna go more that way or this way. Right there. Pop it. Okay, that's good enough. It's just the mark. Chiquilín, help me put this chalk line right here. Agárrale de acá. We're gonna go out with it. See where we go. Sí, la misma marca. Right there? That's all right. The guy I'm doing it for can't see anyway, so it doesn't matter.
You can assume that. Find out real quick how things actually
Roughly. I'll leave it an inch just to be safe, because I want to end up in the middle if I can. So right there, and then let me get a pin. Yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm squaring off where we're gonna put our post so that our building is square. This is my job. I'm the one that squares this off. And the way I square it off is with a square right here. Put it right here. Should give me a pretty close square. Chiquilín, let's put a chalk line right here. Okay, that's good. Okay, it looks good. It's good like that.
you measure this distance, it should be the exact same over here.
Well, that's if they squared off the concrete. I'm going by this because when we did it, they probably squared off with the house, and I'm squaring off with this.
Okay.
I figured this is squares work for you, so we're gonna go with it. I'm pretty sure this is square because we usually get the house. Whatever the house is, the house like that, and we'll square off from there.
Well, if it ain't square, you can yell at your old man. Put it there, he probably helped you.
No, I think it's square because I know how we usually drop a level from the edge of the fascia there down, and we'll do the same thing I'm doing now, but we'll do it over there, chalk line, and then we'll measure out and put our post. So I'm confident these are square. I mean, if it's slightly off, but if you look at it right here, I can eyeball it. It looks good. Yeah, we gotta pick up all the screws. My guys already know we don't leave none of these screws laying around. Center of this, which is gonna be.
You want this on the line?
Yeah, go ahead and put it right on the line, on the end of the line there, on the outside. Yeah.
You're on it.
All right. So, what did I say? 12, half of 25 feet is 12.6, right? Sounds right, anyways. 12.6 right there. All right, you can let go. And the other one is supposed to end here also. So let's see where we end up. Oh, 12.5, close, 12.5 and a half. So roughly that's where the center is. Only bad thing about it, it's our air conditioning the way, so we're gonna pick a side.
Yeah.
Yeah, we decided we're gonna go on this side because it's a little bit closer to where I want it.
That should be, that measurement should be taken basically in the center of the gap. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If it's 1 inch lower out here, it's not a big deal at all. We sure want a big hole just for the
Yeah, that's what the engineering plans say. It's not even the inspectors, it's the people that do the engineering plans. I mean, that the engineers say that's what it needs, so I guess that's what it needs. All right, time to mark these holes. I'm saying, why do I use spray paint? Because when Renato, when we start using the wet saw, all the markings tend to disappear. So the spray paint right here helps us mark it a little better.
You want a cup of coffee?
Huh? Yeah, sure, I'll take some coffee.
Black?
Yeah, black. Okay, we got that one. Let's see how these guys look like they're having a little bit hard time. Es que you're gonna have to pop it up.
Yeah.
You know, que no tenga tornillo allá. Oh, okay. You gotta at least slide it a little bit para acá. Okay.
No, bájate para abajo. Mira, Denis, pon la escalerita ahí así. Se la vamos a mover así.
Renato, come over here.
No, bájate tú, Denis, bájate. Bájate. Let it go. Coño. Abajo, güey.
Let's put it right here.
Get.
Bien cerca de la.
Get out, you working together, man.
See, this is why when customers ask me to reuse this, I can't, because it's a getting them out. And that's what you'd be left with afterwards. And if we took our time to take it, we'd be here 2 days. Mira, déjame subirme, let me run a blade through that, para que no se rompe así.
Ya está cortado.
Oh, ¿ya lo cortaron? Right there.
Dale para arriba. Dale para arriba. Levántalo.
Hey, step up on the ladder. Go, dale para arriba.
Espérate.
Ándale. That's good.
Ahí está.
Okay.
Súbelo al otro, güey. Ahí te vas, Denis.
Espérame, acomodame.
¿Cómo de nuevo? ¿Qué te vas a bajar?
Para ayudar a este güey porque no se le vaya a caer.
Dale.
All right, you get, tell me when you got it.
Dale. Move. Muévete, coño. Ay. Luna, güey. Luna la tumba enseguida.
Yeah.
Sí. Grito que, ¡oye!
He says what's missing here is my dad. He said my dad get him down quick. He yell and get everybody.
He's took down a lot more than he did.
Oh yeah.
Never had a job.
Dile al viejito que se quite, Denis, porque le puede caer la voz.
Oh, you might want to scoot back just a little bit, cause I need you alive so you can pay me. We drop this on you, it's not gonna be good.
Dale para arriba, güey. Cuidado, se te cae, güey. Dale.
And I don't trust that guy too much to hold it.
Ponla arriba, güey. Ponla arriba.
No quieren, güey.
You want a knife to run down the...
No, they already ran it. They got up there. They already ran it.
Ponla para arriba, sácala.
They're actually not coming out that difficult. Like I thought they were. I thought they'd be more difficult.
Tú me la llevo. Cuidado, mira, güey. La tiene así, trépala nomás. Está bien, nene. Tú bájala nomás. Bájala. Let him go. Yeah.
Look at this guy, man. Look at this guy.
Agárrala, porque ese güey está-
He's twice the age of this guy and Doug gets twice as much done.
Sí.
I retire next year. No más.
You retired? Nah, man. You can't retire. Yeah, I still got to make some more money. I still gotta-
No more work. I'm tired. Too much. Vamos otra vez, papi. Si
I
quieres que
had
no
to
tengas
do all
dolor.
the physical jobs myself. To know those jobs perfect.
Oh yeah. You
After
have.
that, all I had to do was use this.
Yeah, it's the only way you have to. If you never done it, it's not the
I
same.
hired the very best people. So everything always went perfect. I told the homeowner, I hand you the keys on the 10th of December. You can have the moving truck here. 10th of December, that was done. And he got a level, he got every wall, every door, every roof line. An eighth of an inch out of plumb, we replaced the first. And all the years of construction, we never had to
Vamos a
replace
sacar
it.
igual, papi.
It was perfect.
Wow, that's good. That's good work. Good craftsmanship.
If you got the best and you use the best, perfect.
Dale, chiquito.
Quítalo otra vez, ¿no?
Quítaselos.
All right, we're ready to lift.
Watch your head. Que te quite, güey, porque si no, no te va a pagar. Come on, pick him up, pick him up. Pick him up.
Camina para arriba, güey.
Camina para arriba.
Walk up the ladder, man.
Échale para allá, agua, Denny.
Ya no traes con tu mierda.
Ese güey no camina.
Yo no voy a hacer nada de lo que tú me digas. Les dije, vamos a darle porque ya viene el sol.
Espérate.
Cuidado.
We're gonna go down with it, see if it goes down. And it's out. Well, out enough. All right, we're starting on the hose now. We got 24, we got it marked out 24 by 24, and we're gonna go down 24. Renato's cutting. He used the little, we started with the little saw, but he wore out the blade, so now we're gonna use the big wet saw. Little guy's over here digging. The fun's just getting started. We're just getting started having fun right now. Sun's nice and shining in Florida. Look at this guy, he's tired already. Huh? tired, man?
Gotta go home right now.
Renato. Renato looks mad.
No,
You mad, man?
ya hice yo, aquí le ayudé a aquel güey hacia allá, y aquí voy acabando este de aquí.
Dang. So you doing all little guys' work?
No, ya anda el güey. Anda prendido.
Look at the little guy's hole, and look at Renato's hole. Oh man. Look at this guy's face. Look at
Tired.
this guy's face. Look at his face.
Tired.
Let's see what it does with the show. Ah, finally. Okay, that's good. Fill up the show. Okay. Almost.
Vamos.
How you feel? Agarra aire, man. Get some air. Get some water. Break time. You tired, Renato? No? There's a piece of cake?
Cuando llegue me echo un bañito y me meto a la piscina.
You got mismatching socks?
Son twins.
Renato, you got mismatching socks, man.
Ya se le echó un poco de
Mira,
cloro.
en los calzoncillos y las medias no le pongas atención. Ergue de las sacks, nadie las va a ver y si las miran, a ver tú,
Oh, man.
no te traes tus sacks que tiene que mechear, todo tiene que mechear. Si no, no se las pone. Y todo
No, yo no me ciego, yo no pongo nada.
So what have we learned? If you want to work good, you gotta use mismatching socks.
Hey,
I'm gonna try to get some of this out here. Yeah, we don't clean this. This is concrete basically. It'll stick onto here. Before we leave, we gotta clean this. All right, day 2. We're loaded up, as you can see. Got all my 4x4 posts, got some 2x8 beams, got a little bit of everything there. Loaded up, we're gonna start getting to it. It's early. There's the owner right there with his coffee. All right, we got the hose done. Y'all see this, what we did yesterday. Hoses are still clean. We probably gonna have to dig them out just a tiny bit, clean them up. But by the end of the day, we should have our post up with the beams, and then we just gotta wait for inspection. Gotta remark our chalk line from yesterday. Right about there. Okay, llévatela para allá ahora. All right, that's the outside of the post. And just put it like that. These posts, these are some heavy posts right here to deal with. Okay, I got the center. Right now I'm gonna cut the center. These are 30-foot posts. I'm gonna cut the center so I can make the notches on each one of them a little easier. Okay, everything's good. Make sure everything's square. Looks good to me. Hold up. We gotta put some on the end over here. I usually try to leave, when we're gonna do something like this, I try to leave the plastic on until we put the roof up, just to keep it from getting scraped up a little bit here. A little more professional job. So I'm just gonna cut the top a little bit here, take a little bit of the plastic off here, where I'm gonna cut, which I'm gonna cut 7 inches down. I'm gonna notch it. So this is what I use to notch right here. Just a regular square. I'm gonna come down 7 inches. I'll go down a little less than 7 inches. Maybe a little eighth less. And that's to give it some room here so this doesn't scrape the bottom of my roof. Now you see the little notches right here? I need to leave 2 inches clear right here, so that means I'm gonna go 1 inch on each side. So it's real easy. I just come right here, 1 inch, turn around, come in 1 inch, and I should have 2 inches right there. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. I'm close. All right. So I cut outside the line here, cut outside the line. I'm gonna transfer it to the other side. I've done this 1,000 times. My dad showed me how to do this. I double check it anyways. I'm about 2 inches, a little less than 2 inches. So I'm gonna cut outside this line, not on the line, but slightly outside of it. Now this is dangerous if you don't know how to use one of these, and if you're just watching this video and you want to do this stuff yourself, I'm not responsible for you cutting your fingers off. This is dangerous right here if you don't know what you're doing. Very dangerous. Line up. You can see I'm cutting outside the line just slightly. Give me that little bit of wiggle room I'm asking for. Line it up. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and then if you stick around later for the video, I'm gonna show you how we take this piece off, which I can't cut it with this, but we got a technique to cut this piece off. Stick around for later on the video, and I'm gonna show you how we do that. Okay, small hiccup. I was cutting them at 7. Renato pointed out that I was cutting them at 7 and the beam's 8. So yeah, I gotta finish cutting these. I'm thinking 7 because we're gonna have 7 going on the way back. No big deal, but a little bit more work. So this one's already cut at 7, so now I gotta add another inch to it. So that's not really a big deal. Just come here, put it there. Go back to the line here. Nothing out this world. Okay. Problem fixed. Chiquilín, mame los postes para allá un poquito, por favor. Perfect. Okay. All right. You see if Renato's notched them already right here. They're notched. I had a little hiccup. I was cutting them at 7, but we need 8 inches, so I had to come back and recut them. He's notching that. And yet he's actually using a little fowler. Hope I said it right. To fowle it down a little bit. He's going right there. Pulling out the edges. Now we're gonna show you how we cut this piece right here. Just did a blade, a sharp blade. Cut around the line. Lo está tratando un poquito bajo, le está arriba, pero bueno. Cut around the line. Wiggle it a couple times. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. The edges. Good enough times, it'll pop up. Come on, Renato. Yeah, this is a thick pole, that's why it's taking a little longer than normal. The gauge, pretty thick. There you go. Okay, do that right there. And foul it on. You gotta follow it down because when you first cut it, all these edges are rough right here. Alright, we got the old trusted laser level right here. This is what we're going to use to make sure that the carport is level as possible. Put it in the middle, it's going to be in the way. I'll leave it here for now. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. We're not going to use it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and set it up so we're ready. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and go 11 feet high up here because all we need is 10 feet clear. I just want to make sure that we're 10 feet clear here in the center. So I know if I go up 11 feet high there, we have to drop a quarter every foot we go out. So by the time we get over here, we'll still have plenty 10 clear. So that's what we're going to do. All right, yeah, I got to make sure because he told me if his boat don't fit, he's not gonna pay me. Right. So I gotta make sure the boat fits in here. What the guys are doing now is they're drilling the hole right here for the rebar we're gonna run through in a minute. Rebar's gonna run here through. We're gonna cut a foot of rebar on each post, run through there into the ground. We're gonna cut the beam now. The beams are ordered, they're 30 foot long, so we need 28 foot. So we're gonna cut 2 feet off. And what I like to do, is a little trick, is I take an extra inch off each side. So when I put my panels, we have an inch clear. So in this case,
Look how long it took you.
I'm gonna take 2 feet off, right? That'll put me at 28. And I'm gonna take 2 inches more. So that leave me an inch on each side. So that my roof overhangs. Because you don't want the roof being right on the edge, right there. You want the roof being out a little bit, at least an inch or so. Me cortarle. All right. Oosh. Ahí está bien. All right, let's cut this joker. Okay, let's do the wall right here in the front so we can just lift it up. Let's mark the ends and then I'll get the... And then what we do is we bring the beam up and we present it, as we would say, right here where it's supposed to go. Mira, hey, tú salte, Renato. No, you gotta go a lot, man. Cada quien, which one of you is gonna go out about a foot? Cada quien va a salir un pie. Levántalo sin rasparlo. Renato, you're gonna have to pass over that way. No, go more. Mira, aquí del pie. You should be like a foot if. Okay, stay right there. Okay, Renato, ¿cuánto tienes allá, güey? All right, let's see what we got over here. Es casi va a ser hasta la orilla del poste. No. I know where it's gonna go. We're gonna go A foot.
Mire.
A foot.
Dere.
That's the foot. Better. Hold
Márcalo
up.
la marca.
Yeah, aquí está la marca.
Mira, güey.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, so that's where it's at. Yeah, the post. Right there. Okay. So that's the. Oh, okay. That's the middle of the post. Okay, because I took off 2 inch. Okay. Dale para acá. Come this way an inch. Va una pulgada. Levántalo. It should be 1 foot 5 inches. I think that's close. ¿Está? So we're at a foot 5. Yeah, that's good. This is the outside of the post. It's time for the U channel, receiving channel. Some of you call it a receiving channel, some of you call it a U channel because you see it's like a U. And I'm gonna have to put one of these on each one of my posts because I have a beam that runs back, and this is where we're gonna attach it to. So I know this from experience, if we're gonna drop 1/4 every foot, that I need to cut this at about a 4-degree angle, 3 to 4 degree angle. And if I do that right, if I do that, then my angle should be perfect when I put my beams up. So I'm gonna measure this 7 and cut it at an angle. Perfect. See what Renato's doing right there? He's lining it up. He's gonna put a square there on the bottom, make sure that the post is square with the beam.
Sí, para acá suavecito. Touch him more, get him more, get him more. Dale más. More, poquito más.
Gotta get that square.
Más. Jole, poquitito. Good.
Once that's square, they're gonna proceed to put the U channel on there.
Esta es cabeza 14, güey.
We're gonna just tack it on with a screw first before we put the bolts. Now when you're doing that, you're just tacking that in with a that's just to hold it in place while he puts the bolts in. Usually do 1 and then 2, and then we'll start with the bolts. And for this job, we're centering it. Sometimes you can go on the side if you're doing like a screen room. You can go on the side here, but since it's for a carport, I'm just gonna go in the center with it. That's our new supervisor right here. This is our brand new supervisor. Ain't no BS in here. We got to make sure we do the job right. All right, we got a little guy right here. He's drilling the hole. First hole down. Okay, we're gonna do 4 of these. Depending on what size of beam you use is different. You got to figure out with your engineering plans what bolts you're gonna use. But for right now, we're gonna put 4 here. That's what we got going on. Okay, it's time to put the bolts. ¿Hubieras puesto el bolt de acá para allá, güey? Más fácil. Acá aquí y estorba menos. Hey, put it this way. Estorba menos. Put that way better. That way it won't be in the way when we put the beam in.
put it like that better for this one. And for this middle post, they're not gonna line up post to post like the other ones are because we got this AC in the way. So I'm gonna have to, we're gonna put a beam. I'm gonna have to put a U channel, receiving channel on the beam right here. It's gonna go on the beam so I can put my beams running that way. And I think he's gonna socket right here. Usually we use a socket with the impact drill, but he wants to do it the hard way, so he likes working hard.
Vamos a hacerlo a la antigüita, papi.
He's trying to make them hours. Trying to go slow. Oh, you gotta open it a little bit more? Ooh, shoot. Little hair, a ver si. Yeah, that's good. Little guys over here cutting the rebar that we're gonna put in the post right here. Hey, let's pick this up in the center.
You want me to be on a ladder to help
Nah,
hold it up right?
nah, we're good. No, we're good. We got it.
Se mueva, güey, porque está jodido.
No, we got it.
Hey, métete ahí.
He's just messing with you. Let it. We got it. He's just messing with you. I gotta get paid.
It's bent over to pick it up. I'll goose him to
There you go. I gotta get paid. I can't have you get injured.
Una, dos, tres.
Okay. Mira, camínale para acá.
No, jálale para acá. Vamos arriba.
Okay, rest. Wait. Se va a raspar. Vete tú en la orilla. Okay, I'm at ahorita. I think in this one we're gonna go inside the hole.
Un poquitito más, chiquito. Un poquitito más.
Un poquito. Este va al agujero. We're going in the hole now. Agárralo bien. Let's go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, hold it right there. Renato, that's the tallest ladder we got over there? I gotta see the level up top. Okay, that's good. I just need to see the level, see if we're close. That's good right there. Okay.
Sí, porque los agujeros están exactamente a 2 pies, güey.
Okay, that's good. Menos.
No, yo creo que me salió mucho, güey.
No. Ahí estás bien. Ahí estás, right there, Renato. All right, we got that up so far, and now we're working on the front wall. That's the back wall. Now we're working on the front wall. We get that up. It's pretty tall, man. It's 12 feet up high. That's what we decided to go with. So to the top of the beam there, it's 12 feet, all the way to the bottom of the concrete. And we're gonna go down about roughly 4 inches drop here. It's a quarter every foot, about 3 3/4. We'll just say 4. So it's still gonna be pretty high even on this side. The guys are ready to go home.
Yeah.
They're ready to go home. I'm ready to go home too. It's hot. All right, Renato's finishing up on the last one here. Renato, man, yeah, you up. For real. Hey, quita eso. You gotta turn it around, man. Oh my God.
Damn it.
You gotta take it off.
Ay, ¿cómo te queda el tegual o qué?
You gotta go up, man. Renato turned it, the angle needs to go up. He turned it the other way. I can't even get mad because he does this all the time. He does it almost every job.
Chequea el otro.
Pues ahí no, que hay que chequear, ahí está
No,
bien.
aquí está bien.
Renato does this at least once every other job. I don't know.
Come on,
I don't know what's wrong with him. Now you gotta take them off. Hopefully they come off.
Ojalá.
Because the lock nuts, sometimes they get stuck and they're hard to get off. He wants to stay. He's trying to make overtime. That's what's going on. He's trying to make overtime. Already? Let's go. Come on. Oh. Oh, let's go. Come on. Levántala, Renato. Go push it up. Okay. Okay, hold it right there, y'all. Yeah.
Ay, mero. Agua, te va a mentir con el nylon. El pinche córtalo.
I just need un más o menos. Quítalo, pero necesito para medir esto primero. All right, let's go to this side. All right, I'm gonna check the level. I got the laser, but I'm using this is a lot quicker. This will tell me if I'm level or not right away. Oh yeah, I'm level. Let me check the other side.
Hey,
En los huecos, güey, le hicimos.
Yeah, when you do the holes good, when you make the holes the right length, right size, everything falls into place. Let's see. We gotta drop that a little bit. Okay, I can see it. We gotta drop that a little bit.
aflójale nomás, aflojadito, papi.
I think that's good, no? Just need it a little bit.
Dale unas 2 pulgadas para abajo, güey.
Ya con eso tiene. Oh yeah, it dropped a lot.
Ahí se levantó, güey.
Let me get up, let me check with the level. Ya pegó, okay. I think that's what we needed.
Lifted that one, it moved this all over.
Oh, that's good, perfect. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna brace this up.
Mira, güey.
That one's good, okay. Well, I can't go nowhere. Okay, now we gotta put a bracer here. I don't like this bracer that much, but it'll work. The sides are grabbing good. It's only gonna be like this maybe for a day. I leave 2 screws on each one of the posts back down here just to stay braced. I got 2 screws on the top on each one of the sides of the bracer. This is what we got going on so far. We got to put the rebar de una vez. Okay, looks, oh, excuse me, it's hot. I'm running out of breath. It looks like we're done for today. We're cleaning up. We got most of it clean. Renato's taking home something free that they're giving him. If anyone got anything free I want to send us, that's the man right there. As long as it's free, he takes it. So we're gonna call for inspection. And the next thing we got here is concrete. And then we'll put the roof. And then we just gotta back the boat in there and cross our fingers, hope that it fits. All right, we're back at the job site. We got the Eli panels right here. These are 15 footers. And that's super tall. So we're gonna put the roof up first. And we got concrete coming at 11 today. So we're gonna work, hopefully we'll have this up by then. And then we'll pour the concrete and we'll be close to finishing this job. We still got another day though, but we're gonna get as much done as we can today.
Did they use it?
I like them. I
Yeah.
use them all the time.
What you got there, Renato? What the heck are you gonna do with that?
Ya está listo para pelear.
Vamos, güey, quítale los...
We had a little hiccup here, so
Métete mero, hasta mero arriba,
the
güey.
post was a little bit
Hasta mero ya.
not where it's supposed to be, so we're moving it right now.
Oh.
We already moved the bottom.
Alright. Agárramela.
Now we're gonna move the top. All right, it's a little different than we're used to. Not a good idea. Hoo hoo hoo.
Careful on that roof, because when it's wet, it's slicker. It's not on the door now.
Oh, good thing I got this to grab onto, so this is pretty, it's sturdy enough as long as I don't push it too much.
That galvanized roof when it's wet, or you
Oh yeah, nah.
and you know, my roof ain't even steep.
Yeah. No, I got somewhere to grab here. But now, if I was over there, I didn't have nowhere to grab. It's different. But I got somewhere to grab right here. Hey, you ready? All right, now we're gonna. Usually, I don't have to get up this high and climb the roof or anything to install these. But this is a higher roof than normal.
How much of an overhanger are you gonna put on?
Oh, that's why. Hey, pass me a tape measure. Bueno. I think we're gonna leave a foot on this side and about, I think 2 feet on that side.
Dele para arriba usted. Si no pueden, yo voy para allá, güey. Sube, yo te puse, caballito. Take a picture, man. Take a picture. Apaga la cámara, güey, porque este güey se cae y te va a
Está pesada esta madre.
You say, oh, resbalo.
Come on, Danny.
We're gonna need a piece of cardboard. Tú, chiquilín, para que sepa. Cartón.
Para la orilla, vete hasta donde vas, güey.
Y la escuadra. Oh shoot, it's slippery, man. We need a square and I need a tape measure.
Mídele un pie lo que quieres para allá. Mídele un
I
pie
need a tape
por
measure.
size.
I need a tape measure. But we got the wrong side, Papa. We gotta turn it around. Oh, they gave it to me on the wrong side, so we gotta turn it back around, flip it around.
Okay,
Así, give me that side right there, para arriba. Give me that side.
este para arriba.
Yeah. Give me that side. Por eso, ese va para arriba. Yeah, these out there, their way they gotta go. You got the male side and the female side. We always put the male side on this side so we can clamp the next one. They gave it to me backwards. Ooh, it's slippery, man. Está bien resbaloso acá, man. It's super slippery, man. Ooh. I want to bust my here.
Come on, little guy. You're a little ass and you're full, man.
No te confíes en esto, güey. Súbete para arriba de la escalera, güey.
Ya lo llevo. Hola.
Ten cuidado porque me puedo resbalar aquí.
No, tú no te vayas hasta allá, güey. Tú no te vayas para allá, para arriba, Dini.
A ver, let's see here.
Al otro lado. Hola, no puches. Hey, tengo el control. Come on.
Descansa ahí. Okay. Wait, don't scrape it.
Métete al orillo, tú estás en el wrong way.
But if we wait, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna. So we need to do it now. Mira, salte tú para el lado del señor. Okay. Lo único, we gotta check if that's square. All right. Okay. Yeah. Renato, now check the square with that beam. Pa acá. That's the important beam right there. Get one coming up. Let's see.
Agárramela, Dani. Pero agárramela bien, güey. La. No, güey, así lo vas a levantar con el viento.
Es que está muy resbaloso. This roof is too slippery. I don't want to walk up.
No, tú vete acá a este lado, güey. Vene.
All right, hold up. Let's see. Renato's telling me go on this side. Let's see if the old man got it. I guess. Okay, hold up. Tú dime allá es lo bueno.
Dale. No, te pasaste. No, yo, dale. Vamos.
Perfect. We'll just say 13 there. Okay. All right, we got the third panel coming along.
Anda, suba para arriba. Levántala con una sola, agarrala, güey. Una sola mano.
Ahí voy para arriba. No grites, porque me desmayo.
Uh-oh.
Agárrame.
Este lado de acá era.
Push me. Okay. Hold up. We got 3 up so far. Ooh, it's slippery, man.
¿Me la agarras, Dani?
4th one.
Levántale.
Time for the concrete. Oh, heavy? Adentro del agujero, dale más para adelante. Oh, man.
Me ganó.
All right.
Pega, güey, necesita agua.
Volteate, güey. Hazte para atrás, ándale. Hazte para atrás. Hazte para atrás. Ándale, right there. Go. Ay, ve. Échalo de más allá. Echa todo ahí. Okay, we got the concrete down. We just gotta wait for it to dry. Oh, man. We're gonna continue on with the roof. So we got going on so far. At least I ain't gotta worry about slipping now. The roof is dry. Ooh, maybe I do gotta worry about slipping. The roof is dry. We got 2 more panels to go. And then we just gotta wait on the concrete to finish drying so we can do the finish on it. We can do a light broom. And then we'll be done for today. We still got 1 more day tomorrow. We gotta put all the beams right there where you see the channels. We gotta put beams over there. And we got another beam in the middle here. Working. All right, we're down to the last stretch. We're down to the last one right here. We're messing with the concrete a little bit first. It's drying on us a little bit. Debe tener 2. ¿No tiene 2? No, güey.
Ay, hijo de la chingada.
Entiéndete, güey, ya es un viejo joven, güey.
Es un viejito joven.
Papá.
¡Ay! ¡Ay! Me tiemblan las patitas.
Levántale para allá, nene, que voy por arriba, güey.
Rain wants to mess up our job. I think it's gonna go that way. All we can do is wait, let it pass.
Let us to wait.
Let it pass. These guys don't like just sitting still. We got our concrete expert here, a resident expert, finishing off the concrete for us.
Honduras.
All right, we got it wrapped up for today. Did a little light broom on the concrete. We'll check back out in on it tomorrow. Clean the post. Good day though. We barely escaped the rain. It rained on us tiny bit, but it wasn't that bad. So tomorrow we're gonna come, finish the beams, put the gutter, downspouts. We hear some long downspouts. I'm gonna have to connect a couple of downspouts because I think the ones we have are only 10 footers. And we're gonna put fascia all around there. And then we're gonna see if the boat fits. We're gonna see if the boat fits, which I think it will. All right, it's the next day. We're back. Concrete's dry. Concrete's dry. It's good. All this water right here, that's the water, the dew off the roof. I ran the blower because I gotta put some caulking on the seams, and then we're gonna put some peel seal tape. But before that, we're gonna work on the gutter. We're gonna put the gutter up here and start seeing if we can finish up this project. Wanna reach it? Might para allá, pero bueno.
Súbele arriba para que te conozca. Súbele arriba. Ahora. Hey, suéltele, del que primero. Dale poquito para acá.
No, sácala de.
No, espérate que voy a sacar.
All right, you're putting the beam up right here.
Dale.
Ya tenemos todo sacado.
Ande que se tore.
Too tight.
Cut it off.
Yeah.
All right, we got it up. We can put some screws for now just to hold it, and then we'll come back with the bolts after we got them installed. All right, I'm on top of the roof. We're gonna put a little bit of silicone on here, give it some time to dry, and then we'll put the tape at the end of the day. I already got up here and blow dried it a little bit. We're up tall here, we're up high. Little guys putting the bolts in there. We got bolts. He's on that one, and then we got the middle one to go here. Renato's getting started with the downspout. It's time to put the fascia up right here, this piece. So the guy's gonna give me the measurement, and then I'm gonna cut it for them. 15.3 1/4, 15.3 1/4. Write that down. 15, 3 1/4. You're gonna get the measurement, but before you get the measurement, you gotta make sure that these are straight right here, because they'll bow out. That's good right there, straight. Make sure the middle one's straight. That's straight. All right.
Ahí te va. Mira, güey. 12 pies, 3 pulgadas.
12 pies, 3 pulgadas, 12.3. 12 pies, 3 pulgadas, that's 12 feet, 3 inches. All right. Got it here. Oh, let's do it. Oh, es que it's a little tight there because the bolts, when you tighten the bolts, it gets the C channel there.
Güey, mételo abajo.
It gets the U header
Chano, yo, dice.
and it tightens it
Ponlo
up.
abajo primero, que entre y luego le pegas.
Ándale. There you go.
Ay, que. No lo juntes hasta que no te. Ay, que te.
Nomás que acá no le corté.
Espérate, güey, que.
I think I'm gonna have to notch it there.
No, notching for what? You don't need no notching, bro. I move this one.
Okay. I don't know, that's a lot. You're gonna have to move it. Come on, man.
Dile algo, dile algo. Hurry up, man. What you talking about?
Espérate, güey, que está torcido, güey.
No, tío, no que nada, viejo.
Necesito balls, papá.
I told you I gotta probably cut it. Dámelo. Let me cut it for.
There you go, there you go. ¡Estás! ¡Concho!
Mira, viejito, así se hacen las cosas.
All right, let's do the next one.
Mira, güey, le vamos a poner.
No, it's good right there.
Ahí está, tú sube, tú.
Perfect.
Dale, tú primero.
All right, we got the other beam. So all the beams are up. Now we just gotta finish putting the bolts. And we'll jump on the roof right now and put some peel seal. They already got this screwed up right here. They got the screws here. These are the beams, the 3 beams you'll see on the bottom. We're about to put the screws here in the middle. You see the hole? We pre-hold it. Now we gotta put these screws. We're putting the peel seal tape. We also put caulking on the seams. We put it this morning, so it's already dry. See, it's dry. It's dry all the way. And now we're gonna put this peel seal, and as you can see, it's super hot. So it's gonna stick on good. We got the owner right here supervising us, so you know we're doing a good job. Okay, all right, it's coming together. You see, we got all the beams screwed. Let's see if I can get this shot. All the beams. All the screws for the beams. Now, last thing for me to do, we got the tape here. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put silicone all around here. The stuff I like to use is this. This is really good. All you guys that worked in the aluminum industry down in Florida, you probably get your stuff. You probably like to use this. This is decent too. But I found for the roofs like this works a little bit better because you get a lot of sun here. This is good for like gutters and stuff. But I mean, you're getting a lot of heat up here. So for me, I like to use that. Leave some in the comments if you got something better. I'm always willing to learn. And yeah, put this and we'll be almost done. We'll be almost out of here. It's hot out here. Time to go down to the bottom, clean up, and we're gonna see if the boat fits. All right, it's the moment of truth. We got Walt. He's gonna back up his boat here, and we're gonna see if that boat fits here. He got a new T-top on here, so that's the whole reason we had to raise the other one. Ooh, I hope it fits, man. If it doesn't fit, I'm not gonna get paid. If it doesn't fit, I'm not gonna get paid. Oh man, it fit. Look at this. Got the whole boat on here with a brand new T-top. You got plenty of room on the top. We got about 2 feet still on the top there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a smart thing. If you got a boat like this, you need to take care of it. It costs money. Beautiful. I'm happy. You happy?
Alright.
Job well done.
That's why you were live filming.
So you see, we still got about 2 feet. I'm gonna say we got about 2 feet clearance on the top still. So, all right, that's the end for today. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, leave a comment if you like it. If you don't like it, if you got tips for me, I'm open for tips. Until next time,
I'll see you.
You could hire the other guys, or you can hire the best, Solid Makers Aluminum Structures.